Well, today we are in a pocket park in downtown Angola, Indiana. And this pocket park is going to be one of the only green spaces in our downtown. Our first project was a community birdhouse tree, and we thought we might get a couple birdhouses, but we actually had over 40 birdhouses donated. And on our sidewalks here, Easter Seals Rise, Cahoots Youth, and also Prairie Heights High School Art Department are going to be doing murals on the sidewalk and painting our benches here. This area here and this area back here, the grass is going to be removed. So one of them will be a clover field and the other one will be a strawberry patch. In this section right here, this was actually an invasive tree, and we were in the process of tearing this tree down. And when COVID hit, we thought, let's do something creative with this stump. We are working with the Purdue Extension, the Steuben County Purdue Extension, and Blue Heron Ministries, and they are putting in a pollinator garden. So in this, we will have native plants that will attract our pollinators, our butterflies and our bees. This will be a great place for wildlife and nature to exist in an urban setting. And we're just looking forward to people being able to enjoy this space. So come visit our pocket park in downtown Angola and watch it unfold.